What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at CRO to US dollar or Crypto.com coin to US dollar. Yesterday, we made a video. As you guys can see, I'm pulling it up right here. This is the first time we actually reviewed Crypto.com here on the channel, and it seems like a lot of people liked it and also had interest in this cryptocurrency specifically. What's interesting too is I've been seeing a lot of hype around Crypto.com in the past probably 24 hours alone. I actually speak with a lot of people that are also interested in crypto, and they've actually come up to me talking about, yo, like, have you looked into Crypto.com? And I was like, that's so interesting. I just made a video for the first time about this cryptocurrency. Looking at the charts, they look really good. So I find that quite interesting that a lot of people are starting to get some interest in this crypto. Not to say that we should be buying in and leveraging this to the moon, but I do want to look at it because I do believe there is big opportunity to either short this crypto or buy in and leverage to the moon in the very near future here. So we're going to be spending the rest of today's video looking at the technical analysis on here. It's a new coin. It's a fresh coin. I'm getting excited. I guess we'll have to figure out how to buy this crypto. I feel like that has to be covered here on the channel as we haven't done that already. But for example, you can see right here, it's a pretty well-established coin. I believe we're going to have to see if it's easily accessible in New York specifically. I still think it probably is, but there are exchanges here that do offer it for those that are outside New York, which is a lot of people here. But if you are in New York and you want questions as to how to maybe buy this and maybe we can find exchanges to leverage this, let me know down below. But you can see here they have Coinbase, Crypto.com, KuCoin, so on and so forth. So I'm going to check after today's video to see if I can actually buy CRO in USDT in New York specifically on Coinbase. We probably can, but they have a lot of exchanges that accept this, a lot of exchanges here. So I'm not too worried about being able to leverage this crypto. There seems to be a lot of options here. So that's something to consider. But with that being said, guys, today's video is brought to us by Rewards Bunny. I've reviewed them once here in the past, but really they are actually like a plugin that you can see you can actually earn cash back on certain websites, popular brands, etc. We'll go over this more at the end of today's video, but you can see here what exactly they do. You basically log in and browse offers, shop at your favorite stores, get cash back automatically, and then withdraw your cash back. So it's really cool. And you can see the percentage you can actually earn from many popular brands that honestly I've used almost all of these just probably within this year alone here. So it is an option to do. So definitely make sure to check it out. I have linked them down in the description if you'd like to check them out earlier. But with that being said, guys, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, this is what we're dealing with. We're looking at CRO Crypto.com within to the daily charts right here. What I want to do is you start where we left off yesterday. I'm starting to wonder where we have some supports and resistances. I feel like that's the next thing we have to draw is some price floors and ceilings. I do believe, and I'll jump to the 4 hour. I feel like we can get a better look here as where exactly supports are and where resistances are. There's definitely one here, but this is lower. It's not really going to affect us right now, but I'll leave it there for here. And you guys can see how I'm confirming this, where we have these reversals here, and we do have retests of reversals again here. But the next one is probably where we're currently battling right now. I'm just trying to see where there is some sort of resistance, and just looking at these over here, you can see this does act as some sort of price ceiling where we've had problems in the past trying to break through it. So we had a reversal here, resistance here, we've had resistance here again. Here we are with supports, and here we are battling it currently as we speak here. So you can see we are in a good position here. We have been retesting and creating higher lows. We are battling this uptrend here. So we do look pretty optimistic as towards seeing a potential swing to the upside here. We did actually break through our falling wedge kind of drew on right here. And I do have a target. I don't think it's over just yet, but I'd like to see how this plays out here. You can see how we do have this falling wedge pattern here. A lot of people can say either the price of the breakout could be from the actual flagpole itself or from the actual mouth of this break. And I'm going to draw that in for us right now. You can see here, it's a very very small one at that, but drawing this right here, it aligns perfectly. It's a very small reversal that we had. Mainly the rejection we got was from not only the the target that we had, the smaller one. We do have a bigger target set up for the long haul, but we did retest our moving averages here, and we did get rejected as we have done in the past here. So we are still using this support, and until we break through there, I'm not switching bearish just yet. So I just want to jump now to the daily here, now that we have some supports kind of drawn in. Whether or not this is it, I do believe it's probably something along this area right here, acting as support. We do have an uptrend. And this is an uptrend, and we do have a very strong uptrend at that. I'm actually going to delete this support here. I just don't think it's necessary in regards to how we're viewing this. So as long as we can hold and stay above this purple support here, I think we're in a good position. But, I mean, there's still opportunities to short this cryptocurrency if we break through this area here. This is vital. This is key for the success of Crypto.com moving forward. I do believe a lot of people were waiting for us to break through this downtrend here, and we did do, and that is a good sign in the fact that we did break through it here. So we are looking for the volume to come back in. It hasn't hit just yet, but the fact that we broke through a much bigger falling wedge pattern here, or descending triangle, whatever you want to call it, we did break through this top resistance, and we are starting to trade outside of it. So we have to see now, how are we going to react with these prices here? It's a waiting game right now, but I think we're very close to seeing that pop in volume that we're looking for. We need volume to come back in. That's ultimately the game here. So we need to see, are we going to be closing below this, or are we going to be closing above here? I know it's either to the top or it's either to the bottom. It's hit or miss at this point, but what we're waiting for is that confirmation. So if daily confirmation closes us below, I would say comfortably maybe 55 cents. Let's say we close the daily at 54 cents or 53.5 cents. We close right here. The daily closes, brings us down to here. I'm expecting to see a short position bring us right down to the moving average. It's going to be a pretty substantial drop. Target would be about 30%. It would be a substantial drop. That's really what I'm getting at here. It's going to be hard, and it's going to be fast, as there's really not much support that we created on the way up here. So there's a good chance we'll fall just as quickly down. Obviously, finding supports at its Bollinger Band, the top here first, and then retesting its moving average on the target here. But what everybody's looking for is the positive reaction, a reversal, a correction to the upside, which is great too. And the fact that we're consolidating above this support, the longer we hold this, the bigger the opportunity we have of seeing a reversal back to the upside here. And it is very possible. Being that Crypto.com is trading pretty aggressively, and what I mean by that is we are at the number, where is it? 14 crypto. So it is intertwined with the rest of these cryptos. I'd like to include it within the top 10 here. XRP is number 8 here. You can see XRP is also in a falling wedge pattern here, very similar to CRO in the fact this is very short term, but there is a downtrend here that we've started right here November 24th, and we've consolidated into here. November 24th is actually right around this area here, and then we corrected lower, but there's a much longer drawn out charting here. But I like to use the other cryptos to reference. We've been, and if you watch my other videos, talking about how these other cryptos are pretty much coming to the bare bottom, like decision-making time. We've pretty much filled in the gap here. Bitcoin has been in a falling wedge for quite some time now, over a month. We've been consolidating here. There's not much left within its falling wedge patterns here that tend to break bullish. You can see in the previous two, but there's a chance you could break bearish. But we are oversold. We are undervalued. We need to see this run happen. You can see here Ethereum's doing the same thing. We have 3 falling wedge patterns that tend to break bullish. We're looking for the third confirmation now. But we've literally completed the falling wedge. We literally have maybe a day or two left, 3 days at most, before we have to decide where are we going to be breaking to. Are we going to see a big dump? Or are we going to see a big run to the upside here? And that's what we're all waiting for, this countdown. XRP is doing the same. So CRO is at a similar area with its supports. You can see here the fact that we're kind of hanging out at this uptrend here. We've broken outside of the downtrend here. This is the second day outside of this. We're looking now to see, okay, are we going to use this as a support now, bounce off of it as we have done? We've used it previously back here in early November, and then we've retested it on December 4th as well as December 6th, December 11th, and here we are retesting it December 13th. So hopefully we can stay above this. We have not only this purple support, this price floor here, we do have the uptrend here, so hopefully we can see this and use that to swing us to the upside here with a target at 71 cents if we can break bullish. It's a waiting game now, but my eyes are peeled on this crypto. I'm not buying in just yet, but once we get that confirmation, that's when we'll enter the markets here. So let this play out a little bit longer, and probably by tomorrow, maybe the following, we'll definitely have an answer as to which direction we're going to be moving to within CRO. Otherwise, guys, that's pretty much going to wrap up today's video. If you like it, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications. But I do want to talk more about Rewards Bunny with you. All right, guys, I want to give a huge shout out to Rewards Bunny for sponsoring today's episode. As with all crypto projects, please do your own research and never invest anything you can't afford to lose. So guys, Rewards Bunny is a platform running on the BSC blockchain that gives cashback rewards to your online purchases. And the platform has some pretty crazy partnerships with global brands such as Sephora, AliExpress, Amazon, and even Nike. And you can even save certain percentages on purchases made with this platform. In fact, when the roadmap of the project is examined, it will be possible to pay with RBunny coin or even RBunny's Visa card for shopping in the future. And since there are close to 500 plus e-stores on the Rewards Bunny platform and new ones continuing to be added every day, all you have to do is to be directed to the store where you will shop from the Rewards Bunny platform, and then a portion of the money will be transferred directly to your account for purchases you make with the referral. And the cashback rate of each store is different, and your purchases are usually confirmed within 72 hours. And when you reach a refund of $10 or more, you can request the payment in RBunny token or USD. And Rewards Bunny also shares most of its commissions from online purchases with its members, so both the shopping store and the Rewards Bunny platform will be able to give you some profit. And the platform will also add a $5 sign-up bonus when you earn $25 confirmed cashback on the platform. Now, Rewards Bunny is not only a cashback platform, but also a swap platform, which is also really cool. Now, guys, the tokenomics are as follows. A 5% fee is charged for each RBunny purchase and sale and redistributed to Rewards Bunny holders. Thus, those who keep RBunny in their wallet will be rewarded automatically and continuously. 3% of each transaction is converted to liquidity on PancakeSwap, and this is done automatically to ensure a stable price. And 8% of RBunny trades are also sent to the marketing wallet to be added to the marketing strategy budget. And this budget will be used to bring the project to larger audiences. And then lastly, 1% of the budget is the share of the developer team. Now, guys, their total token supply is also 1 billion. And now the Rewards Bunny developer team brings to life the objectives in the roadmap one by one. Now, the token, which was pre-sold at launch on DXSale and PancakeSwap, has an active account on every social media platform. In addition, a CertiK audit was also carried out, and also CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko listings have also been made. Now, guys, in the January through April of 2022 section of the roadmap, it is stated that the project will launch the Rewards Bunny Visa card and create a product market. And in this process, the team will be expanding, and they will try to get listed on one or more of the major cryptocurrency exchanges. Now, from May to December of 2022, a new NFT marketplace will be created and new partnership agreements will be made. And in the process, the game will also be developed and a hardware wallet will be released. All this information, like I said, is outlined in the roadmap in the Rewards Bunny's website. And with that being said, RBunny is based on BEP20 and is traded on Binance Smart Chain, and it can be purchased from DEXs on this blockchain. Now, guys, you can trade RBunny by adding the contract address to your MetaMask wallet and PancakeSwap. Otherwise, guys, huge shout out to Rewards Bunny for sponsoring today's episode. Make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.